Yeah. Yeah.
So it's good eating or what?
Yeah, they're alright.
See, I can't see that for shit. It looks like a big brown blob. I think you got too much light on it.
Willie, get him, Willie. What's the matter, Michael? Don't you like the fish? Why not? Huh? Yeah. Pet the fish, Michael. Go ahead. Let him see one of the fish. Get him off the road.
Stink.
Show Michael. Pet the fish, Michael. Pet him.
You're dead, Michael. You're dead. It won't do nothing to you. No, you hold it. You're Deja. No.
Okay, put him in the bathtub. Let's go put him in the bathtub, Michael.
Shoot it, Deja.
It's better to leave him on the string up here to lift him up.
How was it fishing out there?
That's great.
Huh? It's all that shit coming off.
Scales.
How many did I catch? Did you catch
For
it?
the wood caught fucking lots of them.
You caught all perch though?
No, the fish, the bass. The string goes off here, well. We get that fish right there. There you go. Now pull the fish off.
Those don't look like bass.
No. There you go. Just take that one off. Lay the rest on it.
Are you going to save these and cut them up and fillet them and stuff?
No.
No? They're not worth it?
Yeah, they are. But I mean, I got so much bass and I got a bunch of this shit, you know.
Oh, you got bass too?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Daddy got a bunch of them.
That's saltwater fish from the sea, from the Pacific Ocean.
Fish there, Michael.
Can you see?
Let me see one. No, the one that you took out the string. You want to hold it, Michael?
No.
Come on. You want to hold it? Pet it, Michael. You touch him. Please.
No.
You pet the nice fishy. You want to pet him? Huh? Pet the fish. Pet him. You want Deja to eat him?
No. Pet him.
There you go. Pet
There we go, Sam.
Yeah, he's nice fishy.
Did you
You
get
pet
her
him?
Oh, that's the terrible twos, man. Terrible twos or three, something like that.
Fishy, Maggie?
Damn.
Huh?
I like fish. I'm not scared of fish.
There he is.
No.
No. Mhm.
I'll take this one off. This one.
You don't have to take them all off. You know? Good.
What's this? Honey?
That's where he goes pee, yeah.
Yeah. Is that one the daddy one?
That's the mommy one.
Is this from the daddy one?
Huh? How do they taste? Taste them.
Oh, no way.
Huh?
They don't taste them.
Pick that one up, give it to Michael.
No!
Pet him, Michael.
No, Woody. No! Did I want
Stick it in his face. Don't get.
He's
What's the matter, Michael? Huh? Let me see.
that dog will eat it, huh?
What's the matter, Michael? You don't want him? Huh? Flying fish? He jumped in the water, Michael. He jumped in the water. You want to take a bath now, you guys?
no way.
Huh? You want to take a bath, Michael? Get in the bathtub. Get the fish, dude.
I don't know whose dog that was.
Deja.
Looks like a lopsa or some shit.
Yeah.
Nope.
Okay.
Are you gonna stay with us to here, Mikey?
Bye-bye, Michael.
I made you a cake.
Is it good out of the door?
Yeah, I know. Great. Perfect.
Do all of it. Daddy made me nice. You put him in the tub for Daddy, okay? Come on. Yo, right here, man. Come here, look. Come here. You should do it. Come on. Come on. Okay. You hold him like that. Hold him like that. Okay. Hold him.
Real good. So he won't fall.
Mikey, we go put him in the tub together, me and you. Come on. Me and you, yeah. You carry him. Okay, come on.
Carry him, Michael.
I'll show you how to hold him, Michael. Come here. No, boo-boo. No. Here, okay. I hold him this way. Okay, come on. Okay. Hold him up. Let us put him in the tub.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Let's go put him in the tub.
Too big for him.
There you go, Mikey. There you go. Yeah. Okay, put him in the bathtub.
Fucking dog's bigger than he is.
Gee, you, I can smell the trail.
Go. Okay, come on. Go in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good boy, Mikey. Yeah.
Yeah.